Come on with it.
Here we go.
Come on with it. Get this energy going here. Hey, physical's the name of this game. We know it.
Yes,
First
sir.
snap to last. Hit these in the mouth. Let's go.
Let's not be denied today. Let's not be denied.
But the real message is, it's either kill or be killed.
Yes, sir.
That's how we coming.
Straight like that.
Straight like that.
Let's go be great on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Minshew takes the snap, will give it to Sanders. He bounces outside across the 30.
I know, TFL. So tough.
So here comes 3rd down and 9. Back to throw, looking, running up the middle. Parsons chasing, he's to the 10, and they force the Eagles to apparently settle for 3s.
Micah. Man, don't break. What are you gonna stop, dude? Way to run, dude. Way to run.
10, just across the 45. There's a play fake, boot to the left, and Prescott's picked off. Here comes Sweat down the right sideline. Joshua Sweat's going to turn this into a pick 6. Third down, Prescott back, steps up, he runs right, he can keep it and make the first down. It's 3rd and 5. Back to throw, good protection. Oh, now he's hit. And Maddox, he throws it out to Gallup while he's...
That's a hell of a play. That's a hell of a play. That's a hell of a play. That was a hell of a play.
That's hard right now. That's hard. Hey, Coach that, baby.
1st and goal. Prescott will give it to Pollard. Nice block from Noah Brown. Gets into the 1.
Hey, the sale is still going on until the new year. Buy one, get one. That's not playing around. Put 2-1 in that. I told you. That's a different engine.
And they are knocking on the door at the 1.
They know who to give it to. Give it to 2-1. 2-1, go and get it in there. Oh, yeah? Hey, they can't stop us, man. They can't stop us.
Forms Minshew back in the pocket. Throws it over the middle. It's intercepted by Curse.
Good job. Way to go.
Hey, that didn't want going nowhere. This right here couldn't come up. I needed his help.
Oh my God. I see he caught it like that. Hey, you went hook. That's what we're talking about, fellas. It's 2 more out there.
3rd and 6. Snap back. Throws the ball deep to the middle. Lamb at the 5. Stop. Spin. Touchdown Cowboys and their first lead on Christmas Eve.
What? Already? Yes, sir.
They've got it all bundled up around Minshew. They push to the line and looks like he's in. He will keep it, roll left. He will throw it in the end zone. Touchdown.
Hey, boys, this next drive has to be a stop.
Yeah.
It's a must.
For the Eagles, Minshew in the gun. And he's going to give it inside. Ball's on the ground.
Oh! Way to go.
Rush, empty gun. Prescott escapes out to the right. Chased, throws it in the end zone. Oh, what a leaping catch.
Let's ride this wave right here. Keep him out of this, man.
Let me get a little chance.
Come on. Hands, boy. Hands.
Come on. I told you I'm right behind you.
Snap is back. Cowboys blitz. He throws to the right to Smith at the 1, and he walks in. Snap back on 3rd and forever. Prescott steps up and heaves it. Hilton down the left sideline. Oh my gosh, he caught it at the 23-yard line. Holy cow. T.Y. Hilton. Wow. Snap to Prescott. Looking right, looking middle. Throwing right. Touchdown, C.D. Lamb.
Touchdown, boys, right here.
T, I told you.
That's on the left side of the offensive formation. Snap back, wants to throw. Quickly out. Ball's caught. Watkins, wait a minute. Did Bland intercept that? Bland is with the ball. Bland has stolen the ball.
That's a crunch time play.
Hey, they got to put you out for Rookie of the Year. I'm going to tweet that.
Man,
DB Rookie of the Year.
Rookie of the Year.
Defensive Rookie of the Year.
Oh, God. That's what we do. If we want to be a championship defense. That's what we do. If we need our stop, we're going to get another stop. That's what we do.
All right, buckle up, kids. Minshew in the gun. 1st and 10 from the 25. Gives it to Sanders. Fumble the ball! It's rolling loose. Oh, horrible things are happening on the ground there at the bottom of that pile. And the Cowboys have recovered a fumble.
Big dog, you know exactly what it is. It's about to be a good Christmas, as per usual. We getting all the gifts, all the gifts.
Have a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Ain't nothing like a good old Cowboys win, baby. Let's keep this train rolling. We can't be stopped if we do what we do. Let's go, Cowboys. Hey, many more to come, baby. Let's get it.